Hey, CodeShow is a zero setup code presentation tool for developers who value simplicity. It's a simple, self-hostable, static web app for presenting code nicely in tutorials, videos, or presentations. You can find it on my website at mccormick.cx/apps/codeshow. I built CodeShow to solve the problem of presenting code during YouTube videos. A traditional IDE like VS Code has a distracting UI. Setting up snippets just right can be complicated, and getting style consistency across your videos is difficult. Let's take a look at the features of CodeShow. The code display features syntax highlighting, courtesy of CodeMirror. You can click outside the code area to toggle the config UI on and off. Using the config UI, you can turn on and off the dots decoration, you can change the file name, or remove the file entirely. You can also change the theme to any one of the CodeMirror supported themes. You can also change the language to any language supported by CodeMirror 5, and then the highlighting will be done in that language. There's also a full screen mode you can use to get rid of the browser decorations. And any configuration changes you make will be auto-saved the next time you come back to the app. So I'll hit Control Refresh to demonstrate that. And you can see it's restored the same code and settings as I had before. If you want the code to be a different size, you can simply use the browser's built-in zoom function. And you can take a screenshot if you want an image that you can use elsewhere. And finally, CodeShow is very easy to self-host. You just copy the index.html, style.css, and main.cljs to your web server. It's a static web app that doesn't need any backend. As you can see from the file main.cljs, CodeShow is built with ClojureScript and uses the reagent library for rendering. The ClojureScript interpreter is Squint, so it runs entirely in your browser with no build step or node dependencies. And it's fully client-side with no backend. It's a couple of hundred lines of code, with CodeMirror providing the syntax highlighting and editing functionality. So that's CodeShow, and you can find it at mccormick.cx/apps/codeshow, and the source code is available on my GitHub at chr15m/codeshow. I hope that's useful for you, and best of luck. Thanks for watching.